Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Labos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was caught by me with my own coins, honey. Shout out to me. So the unit that I am wearing is by Sensational. It is in the style Amina and it is in the color 1B. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is an HD lace type of unit. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you Labos in the outro. Bye!
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be in you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be in you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. 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 Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this is a unit that I caught with my own coins. Shout out to your girl for copping a unit with her coins, honey. Okay, I've been coming through. Y'all know I have been coming through with the come through when it comes to these units and buying them, okay, girl? All right, so the unit that I am rocking is from, it is by Sensational. And honey, if you've been watching me for a while, you already know how your girl feels about Sensational.
Sensational.
Okay, so yeah, this unit is by Sensational. It is from their Shear Muse collection from Empress Lace Wig. This unit is in the style Amina, okay, and it is an HD lace wig. It says keep them guessing, honey. Okay, she says keep them guessing. Okay, and I do have it in the color 1B. It says pre-plucked baby hairs, natural density, and this is what old girl looks like on the stock card. And I do feel like the model has her part a little more to the side than I do. you can part it. You have enough space to part it where you want to. Now, the parting space is not like deep. It stops literally right here. But it is a really, really short pixie sort of wig. So it's not going to matter that it's not like a super, super deep side part. Now, this unit, as it states, does come with a baby hairs. You will have to cut them and customize them to your own liking. And if I'm not mistaken, it comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. I could be wrong. It could be 2 combs, but I think it is 3. And yeah, everything else is just like, you know, like I said, you have that little bit of parting space, but you can part it where you want to part it. It's just that it's not going to go, you know, back far. It's just literally, it's just going to go right here, girl. Okay. Now, the lace, in my opinion, is definitely HD lace. You will have to put something on the knots to, you know, like make them not be so apparent. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, girl, it ain't no hair. Okay, if she was shedding and tangling, that would be an issue. But it ain't no hair, honey. Okay, so it's not, there's no shedding and none of that stuff with this unit. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I did not adjust these straps and it's fitting me relatively good. I feel like if you don't have like a huge head, you can make it work, but to me this particular unit is more small to medium head friendly than medium to large. So do with that what you want to, girl. Okay, just do whatever you want to with that information. And yeah, that's basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about old girl, as well as what I used on this unit and all that good stuff, as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so in that little time that I had, I went ahead and did my baby hairs a little better because, honey, this edge control is just not working on these synthetic edges, okay? Like, I gotta figure something out here. I probably need to lay them down for a minute or something. But anyways, y'all, so this unit I honestly really, really like. I knew I was gonna like it, but then once I put it on, I was kind of like, you know, you guys saw what it looked like when I put it on. I was kind of like, oh, I got a little worried, okay? Like a little worried that I was not going to be able to, you know, style it like to my personal liking. And thank God I was, because now I do like it. I love a good curly pixie, but for the most part, all the curly pixies that I own, like this, in this type of style, are human hair wigs. So I was really, really glad to see a synthetic alternative that was really affordable. This unit actually reminds me of the one that I have, that I reviewed from Door Hair. And it was the first like curly pixie that I ever fell in love with. So I am glad that I basically now have a synthetic dupe that is affordable, you know, to everybody. Because if you guys don't know, your girl love a good Synthetica, honey, okay? And I love the prices of the Syntheticas, and especially the shorter units, because I feel like you get more longevity when it comes to the shorter synthetic wigs versus the longer ones. So yeah, I was really, really excited when I saw this wig. I just wasn't sure if I was going to be able to style it to my liking. Now, as far as the products that I used on it, I honestly did not apply any products to this unit, except for I did apply a little mousse. But once I realized the mousse wasn't doing anything for her, I was like, oh, okay, well, let me just stop. Let me just not apply any more mousse. And I did not apply any other product to this unit other than my even edge control to these baby hairs on the side. And I did cut them because they're really, really long, and if you don't, it kind of makes it harder to style the baby hairs. So I did cut my baby hairs, and you can see the hair on my shirt. That is not from it shedding. That is literally from me cutting the baby hairs. So yeah, but I really like the unit. I think it is really cute. Let me know if you guys have saw it online and was kind of like, I don't want to do it, I'm worried, you know, and just kind of waiting on reviews or whatever, because I know that was always a thing with me prior to me reviewing wigs myself, that it was like, oh, you know, I think I can style it, but let me see if somebody gonna come out with a review on it and then go from there. So let me know if you saw it and was kind of like, and then, you know, now seeing the review, you like it, or let me know down below if seeing the review makes you dislike it. Like, let me know down below in the comments. Like, I don't care, girl, I ain't make this wig. Just let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. All right, so this is it in the front, obviously. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And honey, don't talk about my kitchen. Worry about your own kitchen. You guys know what I always say about that. Worry about your own kitchen, sis. Okay, worry about your own kitchen. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I haven't seen it in the back. Like, let me know what you guys think about the back, because like I've said before, the back of a short wig makes the entire wig. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, and let me know what you think about this wig in general. Would you buy her? Are you into the shorties? Like, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.